Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. I'm on the zoo connector off of US 64 that we call the bypass. Obviously something has happened. I'm just taking it easy. I'm being cautious. We can see we had an intersection problem. There we go. All right. You can see we had an intersection problem there. Hope nobody was hurt. Those are our folks out there. For the ages of some of them, I think some of them are volunteers. Thank you to the folks who come out and help us when we get into trouble. Steve AB4L on the Zoo Connector Access here in Asheboro, North Carolina, saying see you in 73.